Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. Bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2014 GMC Terrain Denali with 96,000 miles. It's a really nice mid-size SUV with a clean Carfax report. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of the features. So as we mentioned, it's got a clean Carfax report, so no accident history whatsoever. Clean title, no salvage or flood history. It's got a really nice dark gray or pewter exterior finish. Lots of chrome details. No dents or scratches, no rust. Dual exhaust, backup camera. Lots of luxury options with the Denali package, and this SUV has definitely been taken well care of. You can see it's got that nice leather interior in excellent condition. Sunroof, headliner's in great shape. Comes with navigation, heated seats, lots of tech like collision avoidance, as well as blind spot monitoring. All weather mats here in the front, power and memory seats. Lots of nice features on the interior. Equally clean here in the back. No smoky smell or pet odor. So this Terrain has the power lift gate. Lots of space back here in the cargo area. And that second row, of course, will fold down, give you a little more space. It's got the spare tire underneath and all the tools needed. Here's a view of the front seat. Here on the passenger side, again, leather is in excellent condition, no tears, no stains. 2 keys and remotes. This 3.6 liter V6 engine runs nice and smooth. No rust or corrosion under the hood whatsoever. Definitely been well maintained. Another nice feature on these Denalis are these 19-inch chrome clad wheels. These are in great shape, no corrosion, no curb rash. And then it's got a good set of tires as well, nice and smooth on the road, right around 30 to 40% left on the tread. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2014 GMC Terrain Denali. It's got 96,000 miles, lots of luxury options. You can find more information on our website at byronthomasauto.com. And then of course, we encourage you to check out our Facebook and Instagram pages where we update our inventory regularly. Have a great day.